Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Okay, part 2 of the stitch up, the Lockwood stitch up. They use this key on a lot of new houses and it basically stitches everybody up. Reason being is you can't get it copied, your local key cutter doesn't have it, and then if you want a key like the rest of your house, you can't do it. So you can't kind of buy more of these cylinders and do it. So I've been sent here to rekey this. Now I need a new plug that matches this one. Now this one is a 001 inner. So the only way I'm going to get a 001 inner plug is if I've rechanged a 001 onto a restricted. And I have done that in the past, but didn't leave me a lot of cylinders. And where those cylinders are now, who knows. So I need a 001 inner on C4 or LW4 to be able to convert this. Not only do I need one, I need two. So to be able to key this whole house alike, I'm going to need those plugs. And they originally came with the lock, but of course what they've done is they've changed this into like a builder's key scenario and they've put it on this restricted key. See the shape of that? So all this unnecessary work and all these problems basically arising from somebody in some office who gets paid way too much coming up with the idea of saying, hey, we can get more money out of them if we put it on our security key. We can charge more for the lock, we can install the builder's key into it, builder key system, and we get the return business of the keys or new locks or whatever they want. But the truth about it is it's just a shit show. It's absolutely a shit show. When you put this on, it means these locks right here, right now, I cannot convert back to LW4C4. I cannot key the whole rest of the house up to it. I go up to the house, all the doors have this on it, and all the screen doors are different. And then every other lock that you add to it's going to be different as well. So you've got a mixed bag of lollies, a mix and match all the way through the house because they wanted to install this stupid key on there, which didn't need to be there in the first place, and they overcharged the customer for it too much as well. So it's really just an absolute mess and a nightmare. And I've seen this on sliding doors, I've seen it on front Lockwood Nixons, I've seen it everywhere. Every type of door lock you can imagine, they put this on there, and it's to no benefit. If you want to build a key system, you could do it with your standard cylinders. You get a plug like this, and it's got all these little holes in it, just like this one. See that? All those little holes? That's what they call the builder system. What happens is they put ball bearings in there. When the builder uses as a key, the ball bearing works, and when the owner puts their key in, the owner's key is higher. So what happens is the ball bearing then gets trapped inside and never gets used again, and that combination of the builder's key is never in use again. But you don't need to put this stupid key on there. So this is an absolute stitch up. And the only way I'm going to get these locks working is if I go and get some 001 inner plugs, which I don't even think in the workshop we have, because it's, been a long time since we put a restricted key system into a 001 on the inside. So what to do? The only other option I got is buy any other restricted manufacturer or restricted keyway that we use. I could use just a standard restricted keyway system, but that means now that I've got to set the whole house to make it one key to a restricted keyway system, which is just completely kind of undoable. As far as modifying this plug and all the rest and cutting it down, no. You see the difference? Let's put them side by side. No. The other option I have there is replacing these dead bolts. Taking these dead bolts, throwing them right in the rubbish and replacing them. And that's going to be our best, cheapest option of getting this door working. I mean, they are a good deadlock because they have the handle on the inside, but to be quite honest, they don't really compete when you talk about a Brava, just a Brava or a carbine dead bolt. They're so much more user functionable and all that sort of stuff. Not all these small parts. And forget the handle. If you want one with a handle, put a turn snib on the inside, a single-sided, And also, this is double locking, but yeah. Anyway, mix, and even just rekeying one of these is a bit of a pain in the ass. I did do that video on how to rekey it as well, and yeah, even that's just annoying. It's just annoying. Okay, leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.